Hello guys, today we work with our book, page number 112 and 113. Es our reading, es nuestra lectura y la estuvimos practicando en clase, así que se las voy a leer aquí. And remember, you have to send me the audio from this lecture. We have until Monday, next Monday, to send the audio. So let's go. Dice, I'm looking for Tom. Tom's going to the castle today. Bye bye, Tom. This is the bedroom. It's very big. It's great. This is the kitchen. Look, he's cooking. This is the bathroom. There isn't a shower. This is the living room. Where's Tom? I don't know. I'm looking for Tom. He's here. Oh, he's naughty. He's playing in the bedroom. He isn't playing. He's sleeping. Uy, ok, se quedó dormido. Bueno, at the end, al final completamos estas actividades, number 2 and number 3. They are really easy, so let's complete them. Look at the story again and complete the sentences. Lo único que tienen que hacer es completar, complete, de acuerdo a lo que leímos. And number 3 dice count and write. Dice Castletown, castle is very big. There are 9 bedrooms, there are 2 kitchens, there is 5 bathrooms, there are 4 living rooms. How many rooms are there? ¿Cuántos hay en total? Okay, real easy. And remember, estuvimos practicando nuestros números porque ahora ya vamos a empezar también con multiplications, times, ¿ok? Así que vamos a seguir practicando. Bueno, esto fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de ayer. See you later, guys. Bye, bye.